To create a name sticker, first you're going to come over to your text tab here on the object panel, and you're going to click on add a text box. Now we have a text box added. Let's write in our name. I have my name in here. I'll quickly collapse this and I'll click out of the text box. Now let's click back into the text box. I want to change the font of this text box. I want a different font. So if I look at this font, let's see how it's going to look. This doesn't do it for me. You want to find a font that matches your style. I think I saw a font I like. This is a font I want to use. I'm going to use, it says it's Brittany, so you see this font. Now I want to step this down a bit and so I can have it in boxed form. So let me just quickly make this text centered and I'll clean the space here. Let me just give it a little bit of line spacing. Let's space out the text. And we have our text box here. We want to turn this into a sticker. I'm going to duplicate this text and I'm going to select both, and I will come over to position and make it middle and centered. Now that I have it this way, I'm going to click on the three dots here and I'm going to download selection. I like to download with a transparent background, and I'm going to hit on download. Delete this one I have here and go to upload. So upload the design I downloaded. So if you click on upload file here, I will come to find that name we downloaded. I'm going to double tap and it has uploaded into my design. You can see it without a background. Let me just quickly change the background color so it's different a bit from what the normal color is. And I'm going to click on this name and I will go over to edit here, and from here I'm going to slide down a bit and I will come to these shadows and I'll click on see all, and I want to give my text an outline shadow. I'll give it an outline and I will scroll down and come over to the color here and I will change that color to white. Now you have the option to increase the size of your outline. You see that sticker-ish stuff begins to form, and now you have your name as a sticker. Now you can download this as is. I usually double it and select and go to position, center, middle, and I go in and download it as a selection. Once I come to selection, I like to download without a background, and for now, because we want it in the highest quality, I'm going to increase that, and you download your name as a sticker.